guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will give you a more TED Talk review. In by this TEDx talk, speaker is Susan David. In her powerful TED Talk, The Gift and Power of Emotional Courage, psychologist Susan David explored how embracing our emotion, both good and bad, is essential for living a full, meaningful life. She argued that we live in a culture that often discourages emotional honesty, labeling certain feeling like sadness, anger, or fear as a bad or negative. But David insists that trying to ignore or suppress these emotions actually harms our mental health, relationship, and performance. Susan David introduced the concept of emotional agility, which means facing our thought and feeling with curiosity, compassion, and courage instead of trying to push them away or pretend they don't exist. According to her research, people who are emotionally agile are more resilient, more successful, and more connected to their value. She shared a personal story of loss. Her father death when she was just a teenager, and how she learned to deal with grief through journaling and accepting her emotion instead of hiding them. This experience taught her a lifelong lesson that avoiding hard emotion does not protect us, it limits us. David also criticized what she called toxic positivity. The idea that we should always be happy and positive no matter what she say. This approach actually leads to greater stress, anxiety, and even depression. Instead, she encouraged people to be honest about their emotion and to listen to what those feelings are trying to tell them. One of the most important lessons from Susan David is that emotions are not good or bad; they are data. They provide valuable information about what matters to us and what we need. When we allow ourselves to feel our emotions and explore them, we can make choices that align what our value and goals. In conclusion, emotional courage, the ability to face our feeling without fear or judgment, is not a weakness but a strength. Susan David message is a reminder that value and empathy is not a sign of failure but a doorway to deeper understanding, growth, and connection. By accepting our emotion and living with emotional agility, we can live braver, truer, and more meaningful lives. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Bye.